What I like very much about this expo is that it brings foreigners into Guyana to speak with our private sector, to speak with our government. As we speak, I know there's a meeting going on with the Minister of Trade of Trinidad and Tobago and the Minister of Trade of Guyana, Maniram Prashad. At the private sector level, I've been invited to attend a meeting today with many investors from Trinidad. I believe there will be frank discussions on the construction industry and other sectors of the economy. That means there's competition being introduced into the mortgage lending business, and that's good. Many times we see banks' interest rates and products being very similar to one another, and I believe that's a positive step. If there's competition, interest rates comes down, etc. So that's good. We're also seeing a lot of physical innovations in building products. We're seeing innovations in the houses that we're seeing being put out there. There are wooden houses that you can now get for $7 million. Of specific interest is the Volcan house, which is made out of green heart and hardwood. I've seen pine houses built out of pine lumber at the expo. I believe that there are many, many other innovations that we're not aware of that is moving the construction industry forward.